Hi, I'm Jennine Cohen from GeoEx, and today I'm going to share with you some things that I never leave home without. The first is this waterproof Patagonia duffel bag, and the reason that I love it is because it's the perfect size for the overhead compartment. The next thing for organization is this Ziploc bag, which is called a space bag, and at $3 a pop, it's a fantastic investment because it allows you to compress everything and it makes it super waterproof. I also like to bring pouches in a variety of sizes so that all of my stuff can be super organized and also available at my fingertips. Always bring a locking pouch so that when I'm traveling in more remote areas where there's not a safety deposit box, I have some kind of peace of mind. For clothing, I always bring this Patagonia Houdini jacket. And this is a great piece because it allows you to pack it down super, super small, and because it's so thin, it can go under any layer or over layers as well. And that coupled with another Patagonia piece, the down jacket, is a great layering system, and this has become the unofficial GeoEx jacket because it's the perfect layer for warmth, and also you can use it as a pillow. I always travel with a great black dress, and I love this one because it's quick drying and it also has a built-in bra, so it's very easy to throw on and feel really put together. In terms of style, I always like to bring a great warm shawl. And I like a pop of color that's memorable. And so this llama's wool shawl can be used as a blanket as well on the plane when you're not wearing it. For style, I like to bring chunky jewelry. You never want to bring anything that's too delicate or super valuable when you're traveling. It's also another way to bring in color to a dark travel palette. For fitness, I like to do yoga in the morning so I can stay super grounded, and one way I do it is with these yoga gloves. This coupled with a yoga app allows me to stay fit, grounded, and centered in the morning before I start each day, and I can do it with just a simple Wi-Fi connection. So no mat, no instructor needed. For wellness, the next thing is these ginger capsules, and these are great for tummy troubles and also motion sickness. So I always bring them if I'm heading on a cruise or doing something that requires a road trip or an off-road drive. This is a great thing to bring. And this is one of my favorite things when I'm traveling, which is these tiny little jars for essential oils. And I like to bring an essential oil for immunity that I can use on the plane, and also one to get a good night's rest and relax in the evening. To stay hydrated in a tropical environment, I never travel without coconut powdered water. As far as sleep goes, I really like the turtle pillow because it allows me to sleep in a natural kind of position than the behind the back pillow. For shoes, they can take up a lot of space, and so I really love to bring a great slip-on shoe that can go on and off easily inside of the airport. Sneakers are having such a moment that it's possible to wear this in any cosmopolitan city at dinner or walking through town. And then that coupled with the Olakai sandal, this is also a similar idea. So it has a metallic top, so it looks good enough to get by for dinner, but then it also has a rubber bottom so it can work for a day hike. When you put a little thought and effort into what you pack, it allows you to think way more about the experience and being present than focusing on your stuff. Thank you so much for joining me.